Hello friends, welcome you all on CS Academy channel. I am back again with HTML colors. So in this lecture we are going to learn or discuss the HTML colors. There are so many colors are used in HTML and there are three types. How we can assign the colors values, how we can use the colors in HTML. There are three different types. We will discuss further in this lecture. Okay, so let's start our today's lecture. HTML colors, computer science first. So HTML colors are very important to give a good look and feel to your website. जसं आपण एखादी वेबसाईट बनवतो आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आपण कलर्स खूप इम्पॉर्टंट असतात. जर कलर्स चांगले दिसले तर आपली वेबसाईट ही दिसायला सुंदर दिसते. सो HTML colors are very much important and your choice is matters. Your color choice is very much important when you are designing any website. Okay, so colors are very important to give a good look or to fill your websites. Okay, next point is there are so many HTML coding methods are available, so that you can code your HTML. You can give the color values to your HTML tags. Okay, next, there are following three different methods to set colors in your web pages. So there are three different methods are available to set colors in your web pages. When we are creating our web pages, there are so many different we use the styles. Okay, so many different colors are required to style our web pages. Okay, so there are three different methods, and from that three different methods we have to choose one suitable method for our web pages. Okay, so there are three following different methods to set your colors in your web pages. Okay, so it is not possible to learn all the codes and all the necessary names of colors. So there are different methods, and by using that methods you can set your colors in your web pages. Okay, so first method is color name. You can set color by using name itself. Okay, so first method is you can set color in your web pages by using the color names. So you can specify the color name directly, like green, blue or red. You can directly specify the color name in HTML coding or in your CSS coding, and directly specify the color name like green, blue, red, orange, black, white, whatever it may be. So this one is a very easiest method, but in HTML or CSS, all colors are not available by using the names. All color names are not uh, available or not suitable in HTML or CSS, or not allowed. All color names are not allowed in HTML, so that you have to use the different methods, and what are that different methods we will see further. So first method is you can set the color for your web pages by using the color names. So you can specify the color name directly, like green, blue, and we will see how we can directly assign the color values by using the examples. Okay, next method is by using the hex code. So what is hex code? Hex is a hexadecimal code. Hexadecimal code. It is a hexadecimal number which 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 is used to represent the particular color. Which is used to represent a particular color. Hex code is a nothing but a 6-digit code which represent the amount of red color, green color, and blue that makes up the colors. Okay, so there are basic three colors are available. One is a red, green, and blue. By using the combinations of red, blue, and green, we uh, we mix the other colors. Okay, so by using the three colors, by using the amount of that three colors, that makes up the another colors. Okay, so hex code is a nothing but the 6-digit code that represent the amount of red color, green color, and blue color that makes up the colors. Okay, सो हा जो हेक्स कोड आहे त्याच्यामध्ये 6 डिजिट कोड आहे. तर या 6 डिजिटमध्ये रेड कलर, ब्ल्यू कलर आणि ग्रीन कलरचं अमाऊंट एकत्र केल्यानंतर जो आपल्याला कलर पाहिजे आहे तो आपण अवेलेबल करून घेऊ शकतो. सो हा काय करतो, जर 0 0 असेल तर रेड कलरची अमाऊंट 0 आहे असं आपण समजलं. जेव्हा ती स्लाईड येईल तेव्हा ते डिटेलमध्ये डिस्कस करू. सो दीज आर द ब्रीफ discussion about the different methods. Okay, next method is color decimal or percentage value. Color decimals or percentage value, this one is a third method to set the color in your web pages. Okay, so third is color decimal or percentage value. This value is specified by using the RGB property. RGB is a very much important property to set the colors, you set colors to your web pages. And what is the meaning of RGB? R is represented the red, G is represented the green, and B is represent blue color. Okay, so what is the meaning of RGB? RGB is a red, green and blue. This property is used to specify the color, or this method or this property is used to set the colors. Okay, so this one is a third property. So how we can use that RGB property, we will see further slides. Okay, so these are the three different methods to set colors. First is here are the example to set the background of an HTML tag by using the color name. So first method is to set the color by using the color name itself. So this one is an example to set color by using the name. So this one is a very much basic example of HTML code. So this one is a HTML tag, in that this one is a heading tag, and this one is a title tag, and we assign the color attribute. So bg color, we use the bg color attribute, and we set the value of that bg color by using the name, and we set color by using the color name. Okay, so red is a name of that color. Okay, so this one is a first method to set the value of colors. Okay, so here are the example to set the background of HTML. By using this bg color equals to red, we will get the red background in your web pages. Okay, so this one is the first method to set color by using the color name, and this one is the example. Please note it down, it will help you in your revision point of view. Okay, next. So next is a hex code, HTML colors by using the hex code. So hex is a 6-digit hexadecimal number. Hex code is a 6-digit hexadecimal code. Okay, so what is it? A hexadecimal is a 6-digit representation of color. So by using that 6 digit, we represented a specific color. The color which is required, we represent that color by using the 6 digit, and there are so many combinations we can use in our HTML code. Okay, so this one is a different or second method to set colors. Next, the first 2 digits are RR. What is RR? Red, represent the red value, and next two are green values, and last two are blue values. For example, we will see what is it. So 6-digit hex value represented the R. Okay, next two are green. The basic colors are only red, green and blue. So there are three basic colors. One is red, green and blue. By using that three colors, by using the combinations of three colors, we will get all colors. By a combination of these three basic color, we will get all universal colors. Okay, the colors which are present in the universe, we will get that color by using this combination of these three basic colors. Okay, so red, green and blue. Okay, so there are the 6 digit: first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. These are the 6 digit, and first 2 digit represent the red amount of red color, second 2 digits represents the green color, and last 2 digits represented the amount of blue color. Okay, so this one is a 6-digit hex code. Next one, Each hexadecimal code will be preceded by the hash sign. Hash sign. So how we can represent, or how we can write hexadecimal code? Each hexadecimal code will be preceded by a pound or hash sign. Hash sign is used to represent the hexadecimal code. Hash sign is represent the hexadecimal code. So how we can write hexadecimal code, we will see further in the examples. Okay, so following is the list of few colors using the hexadecimal notation. So these are some examples of hex codes. This one is a black color, in which no red, no green, no blue colors are used. So these code represent the black color, and first two colors are represented the red color. So FF. uh, if you are able to recall, please recall the hexadecimal notation, octal, binary notations. Okay, so please recall that. And in the hexadecimal notation, we use A, B, C, D up to F. Okay, so to represent the red colors, we use this code, hexadecimal code, and each hexadecimal code will be preceded by the hash sign. So that's why we are writing here. Green color is represented by using this, and blue color is represented by using this. By the combination of these three colors, we will get all remaining colors. Next method is the RGB color coding in HTML. So this one is a very much important color method, RGB color coding. Okay, so RGB color value is specified with, this one is a syntax. RGB is a syntax, or RGB is a property which is used to set the colors into the web pages. So the representation of R is representation of red color, green color, and blue color. So RGB, red, green, and blue. Okay, we have to set values of amount of red color, amount of green color, and amount of blue color. Okay, each parameter define the intensity of colors. So there are the uh, three parameters are used in the RGB properties. Okay, and each parameters are used to define the intensity of colors. Next, intensity of color vary from 0 to 255. Okay, so each color intensity is starting from 0 and ends at 255. Okay, so intensity of colors varies from 0 to 255. Okay, so you can set value starting from 0 to 255. Next example, this one is a syntax. First value is represented red color, second value represented the green color, and last one represented the blue color. Okay, so 0 is a nothing and 255 is the highest intensity. So at red color it is 0, at green color it is 0, and at blue color it's set as a high intensity. So this property is represented in the blue color. Okay, so this one is a syntax, or this one is an example of RGB color coding in HTML. Okay, so this one is a example in coding. This one is a CSS. In CSS is nothing but a cascading style sheet. CSS is nothing but a cascading style sheet. It is used to give a style, or to give a style to your web pages, so that your web pages are look good. So that this one is a style, or this one is a CSS are used. Okay, so this one is a syntax of RGB color coding. Please note it down. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. We will catch you in next video. Please subscribe CS Academy by Ketki channel and hit the bell icon, so that you will get the notification of each and every important videos. Okay, thank you.